everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila. I'm Anna Vanila, and for today I would like to share with you a underwear which is really an old money underwear because it's an old style. It's not something that I wear every time or often at all. It's a kind of style, it's a retro style, and I would like to share it with you. I've got it actually in my collection of underwear, and I wanted to share with you this amazing Knickers. It's in pink color, which is very fashionable, pink color, but as you can see it's quite high. It's got high, it actually covers the waist, so it hugs the waist, and it's got some beautiful little flower elements here, and that's how it looks. So I hope you like this underwear. Please let me know if this kind of underwear somehow turns you on or not really. I'm just joking. But what I mean is, do you have preference in underwear? Do you have preference in knickers? Which ones are more comfortable for you? Which ones would you like to have but not comfortable? Please write down in the comments. This is sports bra. This is my new Playboy bunny, which I've made. It's a crochet art. It's actually a tapestry that I've made with crochet hook and these two contrasting colors like pink and white. This is my own pattern. I've made this pattern and inspired by Egyptian culture. As you can see, it's like a cat or a dog here, and I absolutely love this. I love the Playboy bunny a lot. Just to let you know that on my walls I also have things that are quite interesting to talk about and to show. Mom, do you like this style of underwear, of knickers?
Of course, of course.
Were they common in your time?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching and subscribing and for liking my videos. Please make sure you click like and subscribe.